tayong mga names.
My name is Angel.
My name is Mariko.
Ako po si Mia.
And we are the
The
Mistress.
Bakit mistress?
It's spelled as M-I-S-S-T-R-E-S.
Okay, yeah.
Boss, you
Bongga.
Miss Uno.
Miss
Miss
Una.
Dos. Mistress.
Okay.
Si Miss Una's pretty.
Salamat po.
Sige, good luck, girls.
Thank you.
My only baby, you satellite. Don't see me move through the night. Ain't gonna fight, shoot me right. I'm gonna like the way you fight. Now you found a secret code I use to wash away my lonely blues. No, I can't deny a lie, 'cause you're the only one to make me fly. Sex bomb, you're my sex bomb. You can give it to me when I need to come along. Sex bomb, you're my sex bomb. And baby, you can turn me on. You can get one more when I count on the floor. You can turn me upside down, inside out.
Pang Regal Soccer, Pinoy trailer.
And I can give it to you, and I'll make it till mine. Sex bomb, you're my sex bomb. You can give it to me when I need to come along. Sex bomb, you're my sex bomb. And baby, you can turn me on. Woo, baby, you can turn me on. Hey, yeah. Baby, you can turn me on.
Luis loves it. Someone's getting their numbers.
Mistress, ang gaganda nyo pero pangbakulaw ang mga boses nyo.
Salamat po.
Hindi, ang maganda kasi it's not just a gimmick. You have true talent.
Thank you po.
It's really a big surprise. I was kind of expecting you to be singing a female voice. But ang ganda ng surprise nyo.
Thank you po. Salamat po.
You blew me away. Yeah.
Blew me away!
Talaga, boss, ha? Kanino ka naman na-blue? Kay Angel. Correct. Okay, ako siyempre, yes. Ako rin, yes.
Yes, I can blow you away.
Then it's a big yes.
Thank you so much po.
Bongga!
Bye, mga pare.
Salamat po.
Inuman tayo, mga pre.
Thank you.
Ang ganda.
Pakunaw daw kasi mga boses natin, sabi ni Miss Aya. Alam mo naman ang mga terminology nun, no? Pero kung